Howdy folks, this is Chris from Midwest Gold Fever, and am I excited? So Tom was supposed to come down here and do a video tonight. I don't know where he's at. I come to check on him and see what was going on, but I guess Prospector Tim pulled up in his covered wagon earlier, and now I guess they're at the bar.
To clear skies and good whiskey. Cheers to that, partner.
So I don't know, him and Tim's at the bar. We'll see what happens with that. Anyway, this is my first video. This is going to be my first panning gold extraction video. I'm going to run the cons from the creek. We went to the creek the other night and got some cons out, the video y'all saw. So I'm going to run these cons and see if we've got any gold in them or not, and we'll see. But I'm excited here. I'm excited to be here with you folks doing this video. So, all right, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this set up and be right back with you. Get a little surfactant in here before we get going here. This was all classified, 1/8 inch classifier. It's should run pretty easy in this Flatter Gold Wizard. Hopefully it has some gold in it. All right, let's get to going. Hang on, I'm gonna use the little scoop. I don't want to overload it.
Woke up this morning, somebody touching the heel. Yeah, I woke up this morning, somebody kissing the heel. Tim and Tom took off to the saloon, left me working this cold hard spill. They said, Winston, pan that gold, we'll be back for tonight. Yeah, they said, pan that gold, son, we'll be back for tonight. But I heard that whiskey calling and them women holding tight. Now it's just me and this river, talking low and slow. Just me and this river, singing secrets only mine must know. Hands numb from the water, got these concentrates piled low. I'm swirling muddy water, watching black sand slide. Yeah, I'm swirling muddy water, watch that heavy sand slide. Praying for that shiny, shiny, hiding on the inside. With a grin, the town's pouring out the whiskey. Tom's trying every sin while I'm counting every spade, wondering who Millie Wings is. Go, come easy. It don't show up in your hand. No, go, come easy. Gotta earn it grain by grain. Salon lights play fast. this river understands. So I keep on paying, paint that cold water back. Yeah, I keep on paying, working clean and tired. Really shiny, shiny shows up. I'll be left in calm at night.
I hope that's all gold in there. Lots of little twinkles in there. Lots. Enough to get me excited. I'm hoping there's a lot of gold. It's flatter gold, but it's looks like there might be a fair amount. Hopefully, we'll see. Cheers, folks. If you haven't, smash that like button, hit that subscribe. It's free to subscribe and like the videos. Maybe leave a comment. It helps us out tremendously. You know, it helps the channel, and we're trying to grow. And we do giveaways. We do lives where we do giveaways. Sometimes on the videos we do giveaways. So there's a chance to win gold if you watch. So the subscribe, make sure that you see everything that we do. When we're putting new videos out, when we're going live, that way you're there and you're available, you know, to win. Free giveaways. Free giveaways. All right. Looks like we're going to have about 2, maybe 2.5 of what I just did. Maybe 3. Maybe 3 of what I just did. But, all right, let's get back to it.
Saying wrong, cold outside, but warm inside, pen and gold at home. Got a tub and a kettle on, lamplight on the floor. Every swirl's a little hole, like I felt 1,000 times before. Dreams don't freeze with the water, they just learn another way. When the frost says night today, we still hear that color call our name. So spin that pan and let it ride. Easy now, don't rush the tone. When the creek won't give us color, we'll find paydirt at home. Yeah, all this dirt from honest folks, seeds of gold we've sown.
All right, let's get this bad boy cleaned out. I hope there's some gold in here. Let's see what we got here. Lots of black sand in there, which I kind of figured would happen, but doesn't surprise me any that there's a bunch of black sand. I hope I have enough water in my squirt bottle here to get it all cleaned out. Yeah, this is my first video, guys. I'm excited to be able to do videos for you. I'm sure my video won't be as good as Tom's videos. He's got a little more practice at it than me. But man, I'm gonna try my best to do some good videos for you guys from here on out. I'll probably try to run my own cons. But just depends on the situation. All right, I think I got it. I think I got it. All right, we are recording, right? Yeah. All right. Hopefully we got some stuff in here. I would love to find a little bit of flare gold. I mean, we know there's gold there. I just don't know if it's anywhere where I was digging. Hopefully this will show us. Man, lots and lots of black sand right there. Lots and lots. I'm definitely not the painter Tom is. But we're trying, right? We're trying. Hopefully we get some gold.
Mud on my boots, moon peeping through. That big old catfish still playing me for a fool. Got them catfish blues. Deep as this old stream. Catfish blues slipping through my dream. I wait all night, line tied, telling the truth. That whiskered shadow keep handing me them catfish blues. Sitting on a cooler, watching water roll, cold drink in my hand, trying to calm my soul. Radio crackle, low and slow. Robert Johnson singing about a hard road home. Yeah, them catfish blues humming in my bones. Catfish blues, feel it when I'm alone. River key whispering, boy, don't lose, but that sly old catfish keep dealing. Catfish blues.
All right, let's pull this back and see if we got any gold out of there. Oh, I can't see very well back here. Looks like there might be one little flake right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. There's one little flake right there so far. Hopefully you can all see it. Right there.
I'm feeling used. That river taught me patience with them catfish blue.
I was only able to find a couple little flakes, folks. Well, as you can see, folks, I found a couple little flakes, and that's all there was in that. It was a quarter of a bucket of concentrates from the creek out back, but that just tells me where I need to be and where I don't need to be digging at. So the next time we go down, it gives me an idea of where I need to find another area to check in. There are some cracks right there in the bedrock that I'd very much love to dredge out, and I'm sure there's more gold in there if we dredge it out. So we'll check with that. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share the video, leave a comment. That helps us out so much in this channel. We appreciate every one of you that watch our videos. To reiterate, this is my first video, so I was excited to be able to come out here and do this for you guys. Tom's usually been the one who's ran all the concentrates and did all that stuff, but I'm about to step up and hopefully do more of that for the channel. So you all have a good evening. This is Chris with the Midwest Gold Fever. Hope you have a good evening.